2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE, 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Toyota brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE, 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid XLE, 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited, new cars by. The Toyota Highlander still manages to be one of the best choices for the families searching for a safe, reliable, and spacious crossover SUV. In addition to that, the Highlander offers several strong engines including a hybrid unit 2 which delivers better fuel efficiency. The current generation model has been present on the market for a couple of years, and the recently announced 2020 Toyota Highlander is expected to get some changes in styling. Powertrain and performance of the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The buyers of the 2020 Toyota Highlander will have a choice between 3 powertrains including a hybrid as well. So, the base model will use a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine which is able to make 185 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This engine will be coupled to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The front-wheel drive is standard and it is rated at 20 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. The second option is a 3.5-liter V6 engine which can generate 295 horsepower and the torque of 263 lb-ft. It will work with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The front-wheel drive is standard while the all-wheel drive will be optional. When it comes to fuel economy, the LE model with FWD and LE Plus with all-wheel drive system will get 2027 mpg. The LE trim level connected to all-wheel drive is rated at 1926 mpg. The LE Plus, XLE, SE, Limited, and Limited Platinum with front-wheel drive are estimated to be 2127 mpg. Finally, the XLE, SE, Limited and Limited Platinum models with all-wheel drive get 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. There is also a hybrid powertrain which will be available in LE, XLE, Limited, and Platinum models. This power plant will combine a 3.5-liter V6 unit, 2 electric motors, and a 45 kWh nickel metal hydride battery. This engine will be coupled to a continuously variable transmission and will be connected to all-wheel drive system only. The total output will be 306 horsepower. As for the fuel economy, the LE model will get 30 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. The XLE, Limited, and Limited Platinum trim levels are rated at 2927 mpg in the city/highway drive. Design of exterior. The Toyota Highlander has been refreshed for 2017 model year when it has gotten sharper and more aggressive styling which is especially visible on the front fascia. Its whole body looks muscular and depending on a trim level, there are more or less black details. The front end is dominated by its large recognizable grille and elongated headlamps which look a bit menacing. However, the rear end features a traditional SUV shape. And the sporty SE model will come with blackout trim package which adds more black details making it look pretty good. So, the upcoming 2020 Toyota Highlander might get some changes in exterior design which should include grille, lights, and bumpers. However, the precise information about the redesign is not yet available. The interior design of the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The interior of the 2020 Toyota Highlander is pretty good. The cabin features a clean and functional design, and there is plenty of space for passengers and their items. The Highlander comes with 3 rows of seats. The first and the second four are comfortable even at long rides while the third row is the best for kids. The dashboard is also wide and equipped with a standard 6.1-inch touchscreen. The Highlander has 14 cubic feet for cargo behind the third row. However, with the third row folded down, it offers more than 42 cubes. As well, with both second and the third row folded down, it provides the room of 83 cubes. Standard and optional equipment of the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander LE model will come standard with tinted windows, 18-inch alloy wheels, turn signals, a rear-view camera, cloth upholstery, a 6.1-inch touchscreen for infotainment, a 4.2-inch LCD screen, Bluetooth, and a power driver's seat. The LE Plus model will add an 8.0-inch touchscreen for infotainment and navigation, 3-zone climate control, synthetic leather and cloth upholstery, a power passenger's seat, and a flip-up rear window. The XLE will also get leather upholstery, a moonroof, heated front seats, full navigation, and a microphone. The SE comes with 19-inch alloy wheels and some new styling details. The Limited will add a JBL audio system, memory for the driver's seat, air-conditioned front seats and heated seats in the second row. The limited platinum model features a panoramic sunroof, a surround view camera system, and a heated steering wheel. The XLE and limited models will have a choice between a second row bench and captain's chairs, and are also offered with Blu-ray rear seat entertainment system. As for the safety, all models come with the Toyota Safety Sense package. It includes forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, active lane control, automatic high beams and so on. Release date and price of the 2020 Toyota Highlander. There is still no information about when we can expect the new 2020 Toyota Highlander. The price could also be slightly higher than the current model, which begins at $31,500. Thanks.